Alright, so we're going to start with addition. I want you to take 4 of your blue chips that you have and lay them side by side on your table. Now I want you to take 3 green chips and lay them out. And out loud, can you count how many chips you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So if you take 4 and you add 3, what do you get?
7.
Good job. Next, we're going to do subtraction. So I want you to clean your board. And I want you to put 8 blue chips on your board, right side by side in a straight line. Okay, now I want you to take 3 green chips and line them up underneath. Okay, so I want you to look at the green and blue pairs that you have and take them away. How many blue chips do you have left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So if you have 8 and you take away 3, how many are left?
5.
Okay. Now I want you to give me 5 blue pieces. And give yourself 2 green. And we're going to lay them out. And I want you to look at how many more pieces I have than you. How many more pieces do I have?
1, 2, 3.
So if you have 5 and take away 2, how many are left?
3.
Okay. Now I want you to grab your spaghetti noodles. And we're going to work on multiplication. Let's take 3 spaghetti noodles and lay them down side by side. Now you're going to take 3 more spaghetti noodles and lay them, there you go, across the top.
It's not working.
Okay. Now at each intersection, I want you to count out loud how many times there's an intersection.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So 3 times 3 would equal what?
9.
Okay. You can go ahead and take your noodles off. Let's pretend that you have, let's say 16 Valentines. Can you get 16 chips? Okay, let's pretend you have 16 Valentines, those are your chips, and you have 4 friends, which are each of these cards, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you're trying to figure out how to make sure each person gets the same amount of Valentines. So I want you one at a time, place 1 card on 1, 1 card on 2, 1 card on 3, 1 card on 4 until you run out. So you just took 16 cards and you divided them between 4 friends. So how many does each friend get?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So if you take 16, you divide it by 4, what do you get?
4.
Yay. Go ahead and clear that off. Now what we're going to do, I want you to take your pen and I want you to draw a big rectangle. Yep, on the paper. Okay. Now we're going to figure out how to multiply 4 and 3. So I want you to take the number 4, I want you to divide your rectangle into 4 rows. So there you go, or columns. There you go. Now you're going the other way, split it into 3. Yep. Now I want you to write the numbers in here and just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So if you have 3 times 4, what number did you come up with?
12.
Awesome.